Inflation and recessions are top of mind for anyone planning for retirement, especially if you're someone who has worked hard to accumulate wealth. Protecting your retirement savings from these threats is more important than ever, but with so many options out there, it can be hard to know where to start. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to safeguard your hard-earned money against inflation and economic downturns, and why a gold IRA might be your best option. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks and want to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs, click the first link in the description below for a free gold IRA guide that will help you understand the process and why it's one of the most secure ways to protect your retirement savings. Inflation is eroding the value of your cash, and that's something many retirees are facing. With each passing year, the dollar's purchasing power decreases and the cost of everyday goods continues to climb. This is especially concerning if you're relying on fixed income, like Social Security or pension payments. You're essentially seeing the value of your savings drop every time inflation increases. Now, there are many ways to fight back against inflation, but most of them are reactive and limited. For example, high-interest savings accounts or bonds might seem like safe options, but they often don't keep up with inflation. They might give you a small return, but in reality, you're losing purchasing power. Even traditional stocks and bonds can take a hit during recessions. So, what can you do? One of the most powerful and reliable ways to protect your wealth is by investing in gold IRAs. Gold has a long history of holding its value, especially during times of economic turmoil. When inflation soars or stock markets take a dive, gold tends to rise, or at least remain stable. This makes it an ideal hedge against both inflation and recession. The key benefit of a gold IRA is that it allows you to store physical gold within a tax-advantaged retirement account. Unlike other assets, like stocks or bonds, gold is a tangible asset that can hold its value through nearly any economic crisis. This means you can rest easy knowing that your retirement savings are more insulated from the financial turbulence of the world around us. But let's not ignore other options. Real estate, for example, can also be a solid investment, but it comes with its own risks. For one, the real estate market can be volatile, and property values are directly tied to interest rates and economic growth. Plus, it's not a liquid asset. You can't just sell part of your house if you need cash quickly. Real estate also comes with maintenance costs, property taxes, and other ongoing expenses. Stocks might offer growth, but they're extremely volatile, especially in a recession. During economic downturns, stock prices can drop drastically, leaving you with less than what you started with. And while some stocks offer dividends, they're often not enough to offset the risks. So, what's the alternative? Gold, through a gold IRA, offers security and stability, unlike these other assets. It's a safe haven that has stood the test of time. If you're serious about securing your wealth against inflation and recession, take action now and check out the free gold IRA guide linked below. You'll see why so many American retirees, especially those with 100K, 500K, or even 5 Plus in savings, are turning to gold IRAs as a way to preserve and grow their wealth for the future. The great thing about gold IRAs is that they're easy to set up, and many trusted companies offer tailored solutions for retirees looking to protect their nest eggs. Whether you're new to gold IRAs or you've been considering them for a while, now is the time to take control of your financial future. In summary, the next recession or rise in inflation could seriously impact your retirement savings, unless you take proactive steps now. Gold IRAs provide an opportunity to protect your wealth and position yourself for financial stability in an uncertain world. If you want to learn more about how gold IRAs can help you protect your wealth, especially if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5 Plus in savings, make sure to grab your free gold IRA guide through the link in the description. Don't wait. Your financial security is too important. Let's make sure you're prepared. Click that link now, and let's get started on securing your future today.